Let's talk grooming. And I'm not talking about brushing your hair. This is serious. Welcome to the channel, Leadership with Mike. On this channel, I help you become a more confident leader, and I do that with no nonsense sense, if that makes any sense. Now, first, I have to give full credit to my good friend Sammy, who came up with this concept of the video, and I thought I could really use that. And he said, you could really use that. Sammy, I'm using it. This applies to anyone in a leadership position, whether you're male or female. I want you to listen closely to this, because doing this wrong or doing it right will really bite you in the ass. Now, let's look at a situation. I know for sure restaurants and retail, this situation happens a lot, but it could be in any industry, so pay attention. You have a new staff member, and by new, I mean they are starting their first job working with you. They've never been employed before. They could be in high school, they could be in college, they could be recently out of college. What's happening is they've come to your company, your department, and they look to you for the answers. They look at you as the one who can guide them, the one who will not lead them wrong, who is in the position to teach them things, to train them, to build up their career. And basically, what they have is they have a wonderful relationship with somebody in a leadership position. That somebody, which I'm going to say is you, may be tempted to start grooming. Now, what does that mean, Mike? I'm not saying you're some evil person, but what I'm saying is there's an opportunity for you to take advantage of a situation. And you need to be emotionally mature enough, emotionally intelligent enough to realize this is not a good situation for you to be in. This is something, like I said, will bite you in the ass. Because you are going to, or there's the potential that you build a relationship with this new employee and they trust every word you say. And you may take it too far. You may become a little too friendly. You may say, well, I really like this person. We should go out and have drinks after. Which is fine. Listen, if everybody's legal, everybody's okay, I get that. But you're in a leadership position. You could really be putting your title at risk by grooming somebody who is absolutely fresh, who is absolutely new to the workforce, who is just looking for somebody to trust, somebody to like, and they're not necessarily looking for somebody to love. This is something that can be a very difficult position. And I'm not even sure that I'm the right guy to talk about it, but I just wanted to bring it to your attention, is that you as a leader can put yourself in a position that may not be great for your future position. So I want you to keep that in mind. Although this is a very serious topic and we could go a lot deeper into it, that's something that we will do in one of the master classes when you join the No Nonsense Leadership Academy. Because that's what we do. We have monthly master classes about difficult topics, about soft skills that aren't necessarily taught everywhere, or just how to be a good, honest, confident leader. That's why you want to join. So anyways, this video, this idea, it sucks. But let's not stop there. In this video, I give a few more reasons why management, it sucks. And it might not be for you. So get your coffee. I'll see you in that video.